Keep moving, gently now. Straight ahead, follow the line. The reading is stable, all parameters are clear. Excellent. Let's update the log. Check the renal values on the monitor, please. Reading normal range, doctor.
I have the Camel secured for the next phase.
The heart rate is strong, slight arrhythmia, but within normal limits.
Confirmed. Dental records are up to date, and the ultrasound looks clear.
Rinse Area 7 thoroughly. Camel 4 is ready for drying. Watch the water pressure on the new arrival. Guide the lead camel to the left chute. Clear on the right, keep them spaced out.
I have the next batch ready for transfer. Roger that, sending the next crate over now.
Quality check complete on this section. It meets the standards. All right, let's move it to the next stage.
.48 inches right here. Looks good. Go ahead. Go ahead.
The tone is perfectly consistent. Approved for production.
The stitching on this bag is flawless. Truly the finest UAE camel leather we've ever produced.